If you are receiving a call on your iPhone but there is no sound, there are several things you can do to troubleshooting the issue. Remember, these issues can happen either for software or hardware, but with only 3 advanced guides you can fix your problem. Solution 1. Turn off these 3 basic settings on your iPhone. Turn off silent mode, turn off do not disturb mode, turn off Bluetooth. Also, make sure to increase your volume. Solution 2. Set a different ringtone. Open setting, scroll down, tap sounds and haptics. Now try to change your ringtone and see what happens. Solution 3. Check the audio balance. Open setting, scroll down, tap accessibility. Scroll down, tap audio and visual. First turn off the mono audio. Scroll down again. Now set this in the middle. Solution 4. Reset your audio setting for your iPhone. Open setting, scroll down, tap general, scroll down, tap transfer and reset. Tap reset. Tap reset all settings. Enter your passcode. Tap reset all settings again. If none of these solutions work, you may want to contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for further assistance. Or you can also leave a comment if you want to ask anything from me. Thanks for watching.